Hello everyone, welcome to Jojo Braga Studio, and this is Grand Assembly 2026 for the Stylists Philippines, King and Queens. My name is DJ Alvin from UniTV Philippines Entertainment, and napapanood live na live every Wednesday po yan, 2:30 until 4 p.m. sa Pinoy XM Channel Signal 106, Sky Cable, and of course on their social media platforms, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. And for today's video, makakasikat, makakasama natin ang isa sa mga beauty queens ng Dimala Styles Philippines as Miss Philippine Model World Philippines Grand Winner 2025. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang po. More on pageantry pa rin po. Busy pa rin po lagi.
Anong pinagkakabalahan mo sa ngayon?
Ang pinagkakaabalan ko po is my studies po.
Studies.
Yes.
Okay, before we start our conversation, ladies, please kindly introduce yourself first.
Hi, I'm Christine Denise Rueda. I'm 30 years old. And I'm your Miss Pretty Model World Philippines 2025.
Yes. Miss Kirstine. So, ang tagal na natin hindi nagkita. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkita ngayong araw. So, kumusta ang pagiging beauty queens mo as Dimala Stylist Philippines for Miss Pretty Model World Philippines Grand Winner?
More struggles po minsan kasi focus po ako sa studies and okay naman po.
So, ikaw ba may planong lumaban international?
This May 2026, I will be competing on Antipolo City po.
Oh.
Glam International 2026.
Ay, good luck. And congratulations in advance agad, Miss Kirstine. So, meron ka bang shout-out muna bago tayo magpatuloy? Go.
Shout out po kay Sir Robert Gallardo, Shenka Randang, the Manila Stylist and CEO of the Manila Stylist, which is Miss Mami Annabel Balala.
Alright.
And for my glam team.
Alright. So, at this point, Miss Kirstine, are you ready for the Q&A? So, may nagtuturo ba sa'yo or may nagtitrain ba sa'yo sa Q&A? Mga ganyang bagay. Kasi, nabanggit mo lalaban ka this 2026 sa Antipolo for glam. Diba? I think, hindi ako nagkakamali or I don't think so. May mga Q&A yan. Ikaw, sa'yo ba ay ikaw may nagtuturo sa'yo?
Yes.
And who?
My coach Nathan Daniel Season, which is my public speaking coach po.
So, paano mo pinagandaan ang competition na ito, Miss Kirstine?
We will still getting ready by researching designers in social media for my outfits, training my model walk and passerella. Also, training with my coach Nathan for my public speaking.
Yes. Alright, moving on to our conversation which is Q&A. I think aware ka naman sa mga government issue dito sa Pilipinas, Miss Kirstine. So, first question is, what do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today?
Young people today is facing some consciousness and insecurities in their body, also bullying, harassment, and more.
Oh, di ba? Ang daming ganyan, mga insecurity sa buhay, di ba? Kaya kayo, pag-inggit-ikit, ganon, di ba? Kaya, huwag kayo masyadong bitter sa mga sarili ninyo. And, pakilaman na lang yung buhay ninyo. Huwag yung buhay ng iba. Di ba? Tama tayo dyan, di ba, Kirsty? Okay, next question. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be?
I could change the environment po because I'm a catalyst of change for our Earth because I have a good heart for people and for our planet po. Kasi my advocacy po is to encourage the present and future generations to clean and sustain our environment so that we can have a beautiful and safe Earth for humanity.
Oh, talagang handang-handa na si Kirsten sa Q&A for this competition this 2026. Talaga namang ibang-iba ang nagtuturo sa iyo. Parang ready ka na talaga. Alright, for the next questions, I think marami sa atin na magaganda, mga gwapo. So speaking of beauty, Miss Kirsten, how do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society?
Can you please repeat that?
Yeah. And how do you define beauty? And why do you believe it is important in today's society?
In today's society, beauty without intelligence and
Okay. Without intelligence and what? Without intelligence and beauty, right?
beauty society
Mhm.
is what came from your heart po.
Wow.
And if it doesn't came in your heart po, you can represent your beauty with a bad attitude.
Oh. Do you believe, Miss Kirsten, in saying, what is beauty if the brain is empty?
Beauty is nonsense if brain is empty po.
Yeah. Totoo yan, di ba? Aanin mo ang kagandahan mo, wala ka namang utak. Tama yan, di ba? Good. Alright, last question, Miss Kirsten. In your opinion, what is the most pressing environmental issue today and how can it be addressed?
Pressing environmental issue today is the corruption of
Number one, is corruption.
corruption po. Many citizens struggling. Many citizens are suffering to live.
Mhm.
About the flooding and corruptions po for the absence of flood control.
As a pageant or as a model, Miss Kirsten, ano yung advice mo sa mga taong corrupt people? Yeah, do you have some advice for them? Sa mga corrupt na tao, mga kurakot? Nanggigigil ako sa inyo. Anong advice mo para sa kanila kung sakasakali?
My advice is tigil
Stop corrupting na lang. Stop corrupting na lang. Diyos ko, maawa naman kayo sa mga...
Hindi po mag-struggle yung mga tao.
Yes. And thank you so much for that wonderful answer, Miss Kirsten. So, meron ka bang mga gustong pasalamatan? Go.
Thank you po, Di Manila Stylist, for this another opportunity. Thank you po my supporters and friends, especially my family, always there to support me po, and also my glam team. Thank you po.
Do you have any social media platforms to promote, Miss Kirsten?
My social media account which is my page that my mom handles, is the Kirsten Dennis, and my own social media account is Kirsten Dennis Rueda po.
And do you have some upcoming events or upcoming fashion show and projects this year?
A lot po, pero parang hindi ko po kabisa.
Okay, anyway, so abangan nyo lang po si Miss Kirsten this 2026 sa kanyang mga upcoming events, project, and fashion show. From Dimala Stylist Philippines, Miss Kirsten, which is Miss Annabel Balala, what is your message for her?
Thank you po, Miss Annabel Balala, for always supporting us on our journey. Also, thank you for giving us more and more opportunities to come. Thank you po.
One last question, Miss Kirsten. As a young model, what is your advocacy?
As a young model, my advocacy is about encouraging people to clean our environment, which is what I said earlier po.
Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Kirsten, and it's an honor na nakasama kita ngayong araw, and congratulations in advance and good luck to your competition for this 2026, which is GLAM at Antipolo City. Thank you so much.